the motive behind taking this particular press conference is because just few days back I have come across 2 circulars which are issued by the Director of Education. Now whenever any circular that comes or issued, it comes through the Director of Education, but at the same time it is under the guidance and under the instruction of the Chief Minister. Now in this circular there are some points, 2 points, which are really very objectionable, because we live in democracy and we don't like to have dictatorship. Now in this circular, the salary that is being paid to the teachers, now how it should be paid, through which bank it should be paid, this is something like a dictatorial thing that the present government or the Mukhyamantri of the present government is trying to tell the teachers as well as the heads of the institutions. Now at present, Mukhyamantri is a double engine. He is following his Aka, that is the Prime Minister. He is saying whatever the salary that is being disbursed, it should come under, it's a scheme and it is a Yojana of BJP government. And what is that Yojana? That it comes and it should be named as Mukhyamantri Guru Dakshina Yojana. So is this not a self-propagate government? During Congress tenure, we never did all such type of things. We never pasted our photographs. But we don't know what is there in their minds. This government is taking us to the Vedic period and speaks about Vedic period and speaks about Guru Dakshina. As you know, during Vedic period, the Guru Dakshina was given by Eklavya to Dronacharya. His thumb was given to Dronacharya with respect. Now when the Guru Dakshina is given, it is the donation or it is the services, when the services are provided by the Guru, at that time the Guru Dakshina is given by the student, to their teachers. Now here, we are teachers, the members of the institution, the heads of the institutions are facing many problems. Are those problems solved? Are those problems resolved? Then how come you can call this disbursement, or there are many disbursement as Guru Dakshina. There are many cases pending of the teachers where they are not getting the senior scale, where they are not getting the selection scale, and some or the other nitty-gritty things they are trying to point out and say that no, this is wrong, this is done like this. When it comes to the question of leave or anything, they try to reduce the salary, they try to cut it from their salary. And how can you today, in a very boastful manner, say that now we are going to start Mukhyamantri Guru Dakshina Yojana?